Welcome everyone. Today to find the Brinell hardness number for a given specimen. The property of hardness of a metal is usually associated with its resistance to scratching or indentation or deformation. In the Brinell's hardness test, which measured the resistance to indentation, a ball having diameter capital D is pressed on material to be tested under load P is applied depend on the hardness of a material under test and diameter of the indenter. These are all components of testing machine. This one is lever arm, indenter, ball indenter here we have to use. This one is we called it as what? Anvil, as well as elevating screw. This is hand wheel. Here this type of ball indenter we have to use. This is ball indenter dia that is mentioned in terms of capital D. Then impression formed, that diameter we have considered. This is average impression diameter of indenter in terms of mm. Measurement of impression in diameter, that one is in this way. This is D1 value. Here this one is we have considered D2 value. Here we are also using ferrous material and non-ferrous material. Ferrous material, example mild steel, non-ferrous material aluminium. Then according to ferrous and non-ferrous material, we have to apply the load. Already here inbuilt load is there in this machine. That is, inside this machine inbuilt load is 250 kg of force, and this one is once again 250 kg of force. When we have add those two things, getting result is 500 kg of force. Directly we have used this kg of force for aluminium material. For ferrous material, that is mild steel, using kg of force is 3000 kg of force. Here this one is 250 kg of force. This whatever thickness is as compared to this one is large. Then this is 500 kg of force. Total amount that become including this 500 kg of force, that is 3000 kg of force. That thing we have to use for ferrous material, that is mild steel. Here 500 kg of force we have to use for this non-ferrous material, that is aluminium. Here place the specimen on anvil of the Brinell hardness machine and fix 10 mm. This one is 10 mm diameter high carbon steel ball into the indenter and fix the attachment to the loading section. After that, make sure that indenter just touches the specimen. Now apply the load for 15 seconds and to specimen and remove the load, measure the indenter. Now we calculate the Brinell hardness number based on this forming impression. For find outing Brinell hardness number using this formula, BHN that is equal to 2F divided by pi d of d minus square root of d square minus d square. Here F is load in kg, d is diameter of ball in mm, small d is diameter of impression. Before measuring dia of the impression, first we have to mark using chalk. After that, using this telescope, we have to measure dia of the impression. Here dia of the impression we going to get in terms of 4.2. Then D2 is 3.9, 3.7. 3 times we have to observe. Then here this dia is based on mild steel. Then now we have done aluminium. For aluminium getting value is dia of the aluminium impression is 2.2, 2.4, 2.5. After that getting BHN value using formula. This formula we have to use BHN is equal to 2F. That one is using this formula BHN, that is equal to 2F divided by pi d of d minus square root of d square minus d square. According to that, you have substitute corresponding values. That one is, this is dia of the ball indenter, same dia of the ball indenter, dia of the ball indenter. Small d, that is dia of the impression, that is 2.2 square. This is whatever we have to applied kg of force, that is 500 kg of force. Then BHN getting value in terms of 129.92. We have to do 3 trials. After the takedown average of these 3 trials, getting value is BHN number is 1110.13. In this way we have calculated Brinell hardness number. Thank you.